So you were 9 years old?
9 years old, so I started my first chicken tagine. Unfortunately, it was not cooked.
Let's not. I'm coming to you from Morocco. I've had an extraordinary week finishing here at the Conrad Rabat. One of the things I like to do is I like to eat, but I also like to cook. So I thought it would be fun to share some of the opportunities I have to meet some of the amazing chefs that we have. So join me. I'm going to go into the kitchen and we're going to taste some Moroccan specialties.
Wow. Do you love Moroccan food?
I love Moroccan food.
Yeah.
What are we going to do today?
Today we will have the preserved chicken tagine.
You're going to teach me?
For sure. So at the beginning, let's start. We will cut some preserved lemon.
Try not to do any damage. How did you get into cooking?
My grandmother showed me how to cook. You know, the chicken tagine is about 2,000 years ago.
Young.
Yeah, it's still young, yeah. And they were the Amazigh, like the Aboriginal people of Morocco, because they were nomads, there was no water. They were cooking the tagine in the clay pot.
Long, slow cook. So how do you preserve the lemon?
We make it like the cured lemon, only with salt.
How long does it take?
In a jar for about 60 days.
60 days?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
no, it's good. A little bit of red onion, coriander, parsley, garlic, and a lot of preserved lemon. But before that, we got the chicken.
You want them all? Or how many?
You are the boss.
I'm in your kitchen. You're the boss.
We can do some spices, some ginger.
Oh, that's
A
good.
little bit of pepper, salt, a little bit of raw saffron is over there, the real saffron from Morocco. You know, it's from the Taliwin, from here, you know.
I love saffron.
So we put some oil and we start to sear. Oh, you have the touch.
Oh, that smells good. Yeah, saffron. Everything's better with saffron.
Before, we marinated about 1 hour to 2 hours ago.
Yeah.
Here we are, sir.
All over?
Nice. Yeah, all over.
Then we take it.
Yeah, we take it and put at slow fire for 45 minutes maximum. It will be delicious.
Your grandmother would be proud.
Yeah, we'll be proud, but at that time was not. She was shouting at me at that age. I would never forget it.
I'm going to buy one of these.
Let's figure it out. Let's see our tagine, how it look like.
Whoa, that looks so good.
Here we are. Let's finish it with some herbs and some saffron. Can we taste?
Yeah, let's taste. You first.
Yeah, okay.
It looks really good.
Yeah, good.
Good?
Olives, the sourness with the salt.
Oh, that's amazing.
Oh, you are Moroccan chef right now. Yeah,
More?
yeah, I want.
I gotta have one more little piece. I'll be on my diet starting tomorrow. I can't eat anymore.
Yeah.
Thank you, Chef Adil. That is amazing.
Thanks
Everything was great. A lot of fun to be in the kitchen. Sorry for the big mess. To everybody, it's been a great week. Thanks for everybody that made this incredible trip to Morocco possible. I'll see you from another kitchen somewhere else in the world soon. We need to do a selfie.
Thank you. Yeah, if they are looking for a Moroccan chef.